Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new washing machine. This isn't to replace anything in particular. You could class it as the Bosch's replacement, but the Bosch hasn't actually gone anywhere. I have left the Bosch where it was. I'm here with the LG, which is right there, and this new machine. So, without further ado, let's reveal what it is. We have here an Indesit IWC 71252W. Probably not what you guys were expecting, to be honest. I don't know what you were expecting, but somehow I don't think a lot of you would be expecting me to get an Indesit. I'm also not sure how you're going to react to me getting said Indesit. However, we are going to unpackage it and yeah. So I have just realised I have forgotten the knife. So I will jump ahead to the video where I've got the tools to unpack it. Okay, so let's unpack this thing then. So I'll start by removing the lid. Obviously you can't see me chopping the plastic off the top. Well, that was easier than the oven to get the top off. You remember the oven's unboxing video? The oven's directly behind the Indesit at the moment actually. But yeah, if you remember that unboxing video, that was a nightmare to get the top off, I think. Or it was a nightmare to get part of it off, but this already seems a lot easier than that. Oh wow, it's got a curved top. I love that. I love that it's got a curved top. Just throw this out here. Yeah, the curved front panel. Oh, that looks a bit. What is that? That's got cosmetic damage by the looks of it. Unless that's a front wrap. Oh no, that's a front wrap. That's good. Okay. It's a plastic wrap that's on the front of the machine. Let's try and take it off. I can't get it off yet. Right, moving on. Now we can hopefully take this front bit away. And the back bit, hopefully. Let's try and move it forward slightly to get the back bit off. There we go. Oh. Okay, can you still see what's going on? Yes, you can. I'm pleased to see it has the old drum in it. There's not much space in there at all. That doesn't look like 7 kilograms to me. That looks more like 5 kilos. That won't fit a lot in it. Oh well, I'll complain about that later. The LG's drum is so much bigger than that. And the LG's 8 kilos, and this is meant to be 7, so... Oh well, I'll compare that later. Anyway, we got an information leaflet here, which, if you pause the video, you can have a brief look at. There you go. Keep that. Right. is open the door, or rather get the thing holding the door in place off. I won't open the door yet. I'll do all the front panel and stuff after I've done the rest of it. I'm going to get it off the base, but I'm going to cut the video for that because I'm going to need my dad to help me lift it. But I'll see you when I've got the bottom off. So the bottom's off of the bottom polystyrene bit is off, as you can see. I've turned it round to the side so that we can get the transit bolts out. Unusually, there's only 3 transit bolts on this one. On my old hot point, there was 5 on the second one I got, which was the WDAL 8640G. The first one, the WD420G, I was too young at the time to remember installing it. I only remember using it, so couldn't tell you how many transit bolts there were on it. However, I found the right size spanner, and we're gonna take them off. Well, if I can. They are blooming tight, Jesus Christ. Oh, they're never usually that tight. They weren't this tight on the LG, that's for sure, for certain. But at least we know the drum's protected. It's moving slowly. Yeah, this may have to be something I do off camera. I'll do the first one on camera, then the other 2 off camera. Because these are a blooming nightmare. Now I remember on my old hot point, they were an absolute nightmare to get off. And it seems like they've not changed. If anything, they've got worse. Oh, especially these rubber bits, they're a pain to get out. An absolute pain. I need one of those socket wrenches that you don't have to take off every time. You can just twist it around the other way. Be very handy with something like this. Getting there. Still not loose enough to twist with my hand. Oh, I've got it stuck. There we go. Try not to break the machine in the process. I don't have to take it off now because it's out that far. There we go, and I can do the rest by hand. There we go. Now, to get the blooming plastic bit off, this is a nightmare if I remember rightly. Or was it the LG it was a nightmare on? Oh, maybe it was the LG that it was a nightmare one, because I managed to get that one off easily. Alright, I'm going to do the other two off camera because that was a nightmare. And if that was a nightmare, the other two are going to be a nightmare. I'm just glad there's not 5 now. So, I'll see you probably when I'm putting the pipes in. So the transit bolts are out. I did have to get my dad to help me because the other two were impossibly stiff, to say the least. I've noticed something, and on the machine here it says H and C, and as you know, no machines now are hot fill, so they're all cold fill only. But what's interesting is this is the same inlet hose fascia that was on my old Hotpoint WD420G, and obviously that was hot and cold fill, but they've clearly not changed it, except they put a little lip here for some reason. I don't exactly know why that's there, but the H logo's still there, and I do wonder why they haven't got rid of it. But anyway, apart from that, everything is good. So, yep, all 3 of them are out, and I'm gonna sort the drain hose out, and I'm going to turn the machine around, and we're gonna have a look inside the drum and pull it on for its first cycle. So, transit bolts are out, and sorted out the drain pipe, which is in the sink. Yeah. Only thing left to do is look inside the drum, and then we can put it on. So, first of all, before we do anything, I just realised I'm not taking this bit of plastic over the front panel off. I think it's, no, it's not caught under there. Well, that's annoying. Whose idea was that? It's caught underneath the blooming... caught underneath the lid. No, can't pick it out with that. I might have to take the lid off just to get that out. That's annoying. Who designed this? Oh yeah, Indusent did. Or Whirlpool, I don't know which actually. It doesn't look Whirlpool to me, it looks Indusent to me. Anyway, the other side is fine for now. Let's look inside the drum. So we have the inlet hose, which I don't need at the moment. I'll put that up there though, because I will need that. And we have the packet of stuff that we need. It's got transit bolt covers, it's got a warranty, it has an information label, energy label rather. Apparently it's 80 decibels when spinning. That's a lot, that's loud. The LG is probably nowhere close to that, to be honest. Even when unbalanced it's not even 80 decibels. So I'll be very surprised if it's actually 80 decibels. Now, let's find out what type of motor it is. That doesn't sound good. Okay, it's brushed, but it's making a weird sound. Let's put it on to spin and see what happens. Okay, it's not level by any means, but it doesn't matter because I'm not going to put anything in it. I'm going to run a spin cycle in it, just to see how well it goes. Let's plug it in. Oh, it beeps. Right. It turned on by itself, I don't know why. Number 16 spin and drain, 1200 RPM. I'm so glad it's brushed and not inverter. I would have liked three-phase induction though, to be fair. That noise may be because it's new. I don't remember the last time I had a brand new brushed washing machine. Obviously when I had the Hotpoint WD420G, I was too young to remember it brand new. Because I was like 3 when it was brand new, or 2. And the WD-8640G was 3-phase induction. And obviously the LG's direct drive inverter. And you can actually see the LG right there. And you can see the oven that I unboxed previously. I'm already satisfied with this. The only thing I'm not satisfied is with how small the drum is. But I'll get onto that after this. Let's put it onto just 600. Because I don't particularly want to see the full spin at the moment. I want to leave that a surprise. Let's get it up to 600 and then we'll turn it off. But I really like having these knob controls instead of the LG's button controls for those. Mainly because it allows you more options for a start, and also you can change it whenever you want. But on the LG, midway through a cycle you can't even change the spin speed. That's not 600, is it? No, it's not. What are you bumping out for? There's nothing in there. That's 600. Right, okay, that's enough of that. Is it instant unlock? It is instant unlock. I love that. That's very loud. That's a lot louder than the Bosch was. The Bosch's instant unlock was a lot quieter than that. You've got to hold this, haven't you? Yes. Right, okay. Now, the drum. Let's do some comparison here. So, this drum is supposed to be 7 kilograms. And I'll show you the LG's drum in a second, which is 8 kilograms, and I'll let you make a judgment on that. So if we go to the LG, that is 8 kilograms, and that's supposedly 7. Looks more like 5 kilos to me, to be fair, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. And anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on the new machine, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.